Hello guys, this is my today video on Ada, and you can see this chart of trading view is previous chart of my video on Ada, and you can check out my other videos like Litecoin price prediction. You can subscribe to my channel, and I said you this is 1 week ago my video, and this is chart of that video, and you can see after consolidating here, price again rise up, then again it repeated my pattern and have a correction here, then a bit rise, then again now it is consolidating. And what next is that I will describe in this video is that after this price prediction you have a golden opportunity to gain profit from Ada. And this is a timely based video guys. If you can't if you didn't watch right now, if you are watching now, then it's good that you can gain profit from it within 4 hour next 4 hour or within a day. Otherwise you will lose otherwise you will lose the opportunity, because ADA will now jump back to again 1.18 or 1.12 level that I will show you in the video. And how and so now let's get into our video. And now guys, if I have drawn all the support and resistance levels, and if you can see our price is currently in the range of 1.04 and 1.04023. And if I have a 4 hour chart here open here, and I if you see, we have at one where is this we have this support level here at 1.02, and now we have a double bottom, we have but double bottom here. And if I draw here, we have a double bottom pattern here. And now I if price is 1.04, if it touch this double bottom 1.02 here, then it will definitely go to level like easily 1.12 level. And we can see here from the previous one. So this is a very golden opportunity, and we have a little time. If you I hope when I upload video it's still there, you had this opportunity still there. And then we after 1.12 we can I think we can break that to again to 1.18 level. Now if I can give you the potential of this earning. For example, I open up a calculator. If we buy at 1.02 for almost like say we buy for $200, we got 204 total, or uh, we have a total $204 invested, and we have $200 ADA. So after 200 multiplied by 1.18, so we got 236. So 236 minus 204, so it's 32. 32 divided by 204, so we have almost 15.6% return on investment, which is a very great opportunity for guys. And this is the minimum you can get long. If you wait for a bit more, then in the end of March it is very likely that price again go to 1.12 1.25 here level. mm, where guys, if there doesn't seem any a bit here resistant here almost at 1.24, and but I don't think so. If the price break this 1.18 barrier, then it can easily go up to 1.30. You can think about maximum gain if it breaks this 1.18 barrier. Firstly, you have now opportunity to buy it here. If we again look at our, first of all, removing our drawings. So if we control Z, so guys, please like and subscribe to my channel, I hope, because I am working hard to provide good knowledge to you guys, because truthfully speaking, I don't have a large investment for myself to gain profit from these and right now, because I had other expenses that I had to manage. So now price is 1.04 in the 4-hour chart, and if we go to our 1-hour chart as to in order to see where the price can go again. So if I again zoom it down, so if you can see in stochastic indicator, it is saying it will increase, and it's going increasing, and then again it seems after it will again return bounce back, and in the bounce back we can expect it to go to one point where is if I draw the horizontal line, I think here the price goes to back. So I think it had to, if it had to jump again to here 1.02, and now it is in 1.04, and if we see, it will again in the within minutes, it will again come to if we see from the previous at here it 1.05 to 6, 1.05 to 6, it will again come back to okay. So this is our level, this is our resistance level, and if the price again jumps back to one this level, and I think then it had to bounce back to 1.02. Right now this is a bullish candle, and after that there is a bearish candle, and bearish candle is smaller than that bullish candle. So if this candle comes out bigger than this candle, then I think so it will break 1.06 level. But if where is the time, we have 15, so at the 15 it's had to complete, and I think if these candles end here, then there will be bearish candle next that can go to 1.02 level. So it's a good opportunity, guys. Take profit from it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.